In this video, we're going to be going through the ISAs on Trading 212. Now you might be thinking, what exactly is an ISA? Well, an ISA is simply an individual savings account. So this basically is a magical tax-free wrapper for your investments. So kind of think of it as a secret vault, where your money grows without Uncle Sam, or in our case, the taxman, taking a bite of your gains. So with the stocks and shares ISA, you can invest in stocks, ETFs or other assets, and all the profits you make, dividends, capital gains, the whole shebang, are completely tax-free. Now, why exactly is this a big deal? Well, for one thing, you're gonna have access to tax-free gains, so this means more money in your pocket. It also allows for long-term wealth building, so simply invest consistently and watch your money grow tax-free over the years. So in order to use the ISAs, simply transfer funds from your Trading 212 investment account to your Trading 212 ISA account. So you have a £20,000 annual allowance, so make sure you don't go overboard. And to top it all off, even your uninvested cash can also earn interest within your ISA. This is also completely tax-free. But a few things to keep in mind: your annual ISA allowance is kind of a use it or lose it benefit, and withdrawing funds from your ISA can reduce your available allowance for that tax year. So that wraps it up for our video. Let us know what you guys think about this feature, and of course subscribe, then we'll see you on the next one.